You keep doing the work. You give, you show up, you meditate, you journal, you try. But nothing's flowing. Here's the truth. You're just not open and aligned. This is the law of reception. And until you master it, no amount of hustle, healing, or manifesting will work the way it's meant to. Welcome to Vortex Tribe, where we journey into the heart of consciousness, energy, and universal truths. The hidden block you never knew you had. We're taught how to give love, give effort, give value, but we're rarely taught how to receive. And when life tries to give you something, support, money, healing, joy, you quietly push it away. You say, "I'm fine." You say, "I don't need anything." You say, "I can handle it myself." But what you're actually saying is, "I don't feel safe receiving. I don't feel worthy of this. I don't trust it'll stay." That's not just mindset. That's a nervous system response, a subconscious pattern, a trauma-born belief that says receiving equals danger or debt. And that pattern is blocking the very life you're trying to create. What is the law of reception? The law of reception is the energetic law that states what you allow yourself to receive determines how much the universe can give you. It's not just about taking, it's about your capacity to hold, absorb, and feel safe in goodness. And just like a cup can't be filled if it's upside down, you can't receive anything if you're spiritually, emotionally, or energetically closed. Reception is not passive. It's an active surrender. It's trusting that you don't need to earn, chase, or beg for what's already meant for you. Frequency, alignment, and reality bending. Think of life like a radio station. All the frequencies, love, wealth, peace, expansion, they're already playing. You don't need to create them. You just need to tune in. And you can't tune into the frequency of abundance while vibrating in lack. You can't receive the signal for divine love if your internal station is set to fear. This is the crux of the law of reception. Alignment. It's about bending reality, not by force, but by frequency. You collapse timelines when you become the version of you who already has what you desire. Not one day in the future, but right now. You align with the life you want by tuning your thoughts, energy, and emotional set point to match the outcome you're calling in. The signal doesn't change for you. You change for the signal. And when you align, the universe responds instantly. The science behind it. From a neuroscience perspective, your reticular activating system filters what you see based on your internal beliefs. If your belief is, "I have to do it all alone," or "I don't deserve abundance," your brain will literally filter out opportunities, help, and synchronicities. Your nervous system may even feel unsafe when good things come because they contradict your programming. So you sabotage, you dismiss, you overlook. Not because you don't want it, but because a deeper part of you doesn't yet feel safe to receive it. Universal truths. Hermetic teachings say all things operate on polarity and gender. There's masculine, giving, doing, and feminine, receiving, being. The law of reception is the feminine principle of manifestation. You plant the seed, masculine. But the growth, the fruit, the miracle, that comes from your receptive state, your ability to nurture and allow. Tesla once said, If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. And the law of reception is a vibrational alignment. It's the moment you stop chasing and start allowing. That's when the universe rushes in. Emotional resonance. Maybe you were the child who felt like love had to be earned, or the adult who got burned every time you trusted, or the healer who's used to giving but doesn't know how to be held. Receiving can feel like a threat to your identity. But here's the shift. You are not here to prove you're enough. You are here to remember that you already are. When you truly receive, without guilt, without shrinking, without apology, you're not being selfish, you're being aligned. How to open to receive. So, how do you begin living the law of reception? You don't just open your hands, you open your energy field. You don't just say you're ready, you become the version of you who already has it. Here's how to begin. Tune into your future self. Close your eyes. See the version of you who already has the abundance, the love, the peace. Feel their energy. Then ask, what do they believe? How do they walk? What do they allow? That's your frequency. Align to it daily. Affirm your worth with power. Speak to your cells, not just your mind. I am already aligned with love, wealth, and miracles. I am the vibration of receiving. Let others give to you, whether it's love, support, a compliment, or a gift. Receive it fully. Stop deflecting with modesty. Start embodying worthiness. Say, thank you, I receive that. Create stillness and space. Reception doesn't happen in clutter or chaos. Create sacred pause. This is where divine downloads, intuition, and aligned opportunities can finally find you. Relax your body into receiving mode. Your body is the antenna. Drop your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Breathe deeply into your heart. Tell your nervous system, it is safe to receive good things now, because when your energy says yes, the universe has no choice but to respond. Final reframe. You don't need to hustle harder. You don't need to become more. You simply need to align with what's already yours. Everything you desire, love, wealth, healing, purpose, already exists in a timeline where you've received it. It's not waiting on the universe. It's waiting on you to stop doubting, to stop chasing, and to start matching the frequency of your future self. This is your invitation. Stop knocking on locked doors. Start tuning into the version of you who already lives beyond them. Because the moment you align, reality bends. Comment, what are you ready to receive in this season of your life?